Looking for an ATV that combines raw power, smooth handling, and rugged durability? Whether you're hitting tough trails, hauling loads on the farm, or just out for a weekend thrill ride, this list is for you. Today, we're showcasing the top 5 best ATVs on the market, from performance beasts to beginner-friendly quads. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. XPro Storm 125 cubic centimeters ATV. Looking for an affordable, entry-level ATV for teens or adults? The XPro Storm 125 cubic centimeters offers excellent performance, durability, and control at an unbeatable price point. It comes with a reliable 125 cubic centimeter 4-stroke engine that delivers enough power for trail rides and light utility work, while remaining manageable for newer riders. One of the standout features is the wireless remote cutoff switch, which allows parents or supervisors to shut off the engine from up to 20 meters away, an essential safety measure for young riders. A speed governor also lets you fine-tune the ATV's top speed, starting from a very low 5 km per hour, then increasing as skill improves. This ATV features an upgraded steel cast spindle and reinforced swing arm, making it far more durable than many competitors in this price range. Its tight turning radius of just over 2 meters makes it maneuverable in tight spots, while the front and rear disc brakes provide strong and consistent stopping power. Number 4. Suzuki KingQuad 750 Axi EPE. Suzuki made serious improvements with the KingQuad 750 Axi EPS SE, and it shows in every aspect of its performance. The 750 cubic centimeter, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine now delivers smoother power and better torque, thanks to updates in clutching and ignition systems. Number 3. XPro ATV 40 cubic centimeters. For young riders and beginners, the XPro ATV 40 cubic centimeters is a safe and fun introduction to off-roading. Built with a 40 cubic centimeter, 4-stroke air-cooled engine, it is intentionally low-powered with a top speed of around 13 miles per hour, making it ideal for supervised use. The pull start and chain transmission system is simple and user-friendly, helping kids learn the basics of control and throttle response. Safety is a big focus here. The ATV is EPA approved and features a speed governor conveniently located on the right handlebar. This allows parents to limit the speed based on rider experience, ensuring safer operation. Both front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, a step above the basic drum setups often found in youth ATVs. It also comes equipped with a front bumper and front and rear luggage racks, which not only improve protection but allow kids to carry small items on their adventure. Number 2. Yamaha Kodiak 700. The Yamaha Kodiak 700 strikes a perfect balance between brute strength and everyday usability. Powered by a 686 cubic centimeter engine, it's built for low RPM cruising, giving you smooth torque delivery and quieter operation without sacrificing power. Whether you are trail riding or hauling gear on the farm, this ATV is versatile enough to handle it all. What makes it stand out is Yamaha's Ultramatic transmission, widely recognized as one of the most durable continuously variable transmissions on the market. It features natural all-wheel engine braking, giving you more control when descending steep slopes. A handlebar-mounted lever lets you seamlessly switch between drive modes, including a rugged 4-wheel drive option. Its wide arc A-arms, high ground clearance, and full-body skid plates mean it can take a beating and keep going. The compact chassis enhances rider comfort and agility, making it feel nimble despite its big-bore status. Number 1. Polaris Sportsman 570 EPS SP. If you want the gold standard in trail-conquering performance and luxury, the Polaris Sportsman 570 EPS SP Oleans Edition is tough to beat. This ATV isn't just built for rugged use, it's engineered to deliver a premium experience. With Oleans suspension, you get exceptional traction, agile handling, and an impressively smooth ride, even on unforgiving terrain. Add in bold yellow front and rear springs, 14-inch black aluminum rims, and aggressive black handguards, and the aesthetic matches its capability. What truly sets it apart is its multi-select electronic power steering, offering adjustable assist levels so you can tailor your ride to your environment. From rugged workhorses to beginner-friendly models, these are the top ATVs that deliver performance, safety, and value. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear roundups. Thanks for watching.